All right, this video is looking at solving multi-step equations. So this is kind of really taking what we started the year with combining like terms and then adding it to our solving equations. Three things to keep in mind. We want one side of our equation to contain only variables and the other side to contain only numbers. Two, we always want to get rid of the parentheses first if we have them. And then number three, is our same goals apply as before. We want to isolate the variable, get it all by itself, use our reverse order of operations. Looking at this problem right here, I kind of look at it at each side and I see, is there anything that I combine or get together in here? Well, I have a 7p and an 8p. So those we can put together. They're separated by addition, so we're going to put those together with addition. 7p plus 8p is 15p minus 12 equals 59. Now all we have is a two-step equation. So we want to get our variables all on one side. The p's right here, so I want to use those reverse order of operations. I want to move this minus 12 first, so the opposite of minus 12 is a plus 12. 59 plus 12 is 71, and that equals 15p. Divide both sides by 15. 71 divided by 15 is actually not going to be the prettiest number in the world, but it is going to be, we get p is equal to 4.73, repeating. There's our solution. All right, let's look at another example. Now, we always said that we wanted to get rid of our parentheses first. There's kind of two ways that we can do it. One is we can distribute, or the second one is I'll show you after we do this, and it's getting rid of it by dividing. If I want to distribute, I would multiply this negative 2 times both things. So negative 2 times 3x is going to be a negative 6x. And then negative 2 times a negative 9, or a positive 9, is going to be a negative 18 equals 24. We now want to get we have a variable over here, reverse order of operations. We want to add 18 to both sides. 24 plus 18 is 42. Equals a negative 6x. Now it's just a one-step equation. Divide both sides by a negative 6. Those cancel out. X is equal to a negative 7. Now I'm going to rewrite this problem over here, and I'm going to show you another way to do this problem. If there's only one set of parentheses and this whole thing is being multiplied by, this whole side's being multiplied by one number, I can actually, this is multiplying, so I can divide this whole side by negative 2. If I do that to this side, I have to do it to the other side as well. Those cancel out. The parentheses now go away. We have 3x plus 9 equals 24 minus 2, which is, or divided by 2, sorry, is a negative 12. Here's the division there. It's a negative 12. Now we subtract 9 from both sides. Negative 12 minus 9 is going to be a 21, a negative 21, equals 3x. Divide both sides by 3. Those cancel out. We get x is equal to a negative 7. So notice with both ways we got the same answer. It just kind of depends on what you like to do first. All right, that concludes this video. We'll continue doing more work with solving equations as we move on, but this is just our multi-step equations. Again, get those variables all on one side, combine any like terms or get rid of parentheses, and then just do what we've been doing before.